All right, let's talk shopping. You ever see a sales sign and wonder how to get the absolute best deal without, completely emptying your bank account? Well, today we are going to unlock the secrets of sale prices. And I promise you, this is not going to be your boring old math class.
Okay, be real with me for a second. Does the idea of doing math, like with percentages and stuff, make you want to just nope out? But then you see a sign that says 50% off, and suddenly your heart starts racing? Yeah? I thought so.
Perfect. You're in exactly the right place, because I'm about to show you how a tiny bit of that math you hate is actually the ultimate secret weapon to becoming a total shopping ninja. Let's do this.
Okay, so first things first, we have to pull back the curtain and see how stores actually come up with their prices. Because spoiler alert, it's not random. And once you know the secret, trust me, you are never going to look at a price tag the same way again.
All right, first up is this word, wholesale. All this means is the super low rock-bottom price a store pays for an item. Think of it as the insider price that we as shoppers don't get to see.
And then there's retail. Super simple. This is just the price you see on the price tag. It's what the store wants you to pay.
So how does a store actually make money? Well, that's where the markup comes in. It's the extra amount they tack on to that wholesale price. That's their profit. It's how they pay their bills and keep the lights on.
And now, for my favorite word in the entire world of shopping, markdown. This is just a fancy way of saying a sale. Yes! This is what we're here for. This is where the magic happens. Let's see how it all works together.
So let's break this down. Imagine a store buys a super cool chair. They pay the wholesale price for it, which is, say, $50. But then, when you walk into the store and see that same chair, the price tag, the retail price, is $150. Whoa, that's a big jump, right?
And that huge difference, that $100, that's the markup. That's all profit for the store. So get this, even if they put that chair on sale for 20% off, they're still making a ton of money. A sale doesn't mean the store is losing anything. It just means their profit is a little smaller.
Okay, so now you know the secret behind the price tag. It's time to give you your shopping superpower, calculating any sale price anytime right there in the store. There are two really easy ways to do this. First up is method 1. I call it the subtract first way. It's a super simple two-step process, and it works every single time. Step 1 is to figure out the discount. How much money are you actually saving? So let's say you see an iPad for $399 and it's 20% off. You just multiply $399 by 0.20. That gives you $79.80. That's the cash that's staying in your wallet. And step 2 is even easier. You just take that discount and subtract it from the original price. So, $399 minus that $79.80 you're saving, and boom! Your new iPad costs $319.20. See? You can totally do that. But what if you want to be even faster? You want to know the pro move, the real shortcut? Okay, let's look at method 2, the pay percentage way. This one is all about flipping how you think about it. Instead of focusing on the percent you save, you focus on the percent you pay. So if a TV is 25% off, what does that mean? It means you're paying for the other 75%. So you just take the original price, multiply it by 0.75, and bam! One step, done. You have the final price. Seriously, this is the one I use all the time. All right, you've got the inside knowledge. You've got the superpower. Now it's time to put those skills to the test. Let's play a quick game I like to call Deal Detective. Okay, detective, first case. Running shoes, $49.95, and they're 25% off. What's the final sale price? A, B, C, or D? Take a sec. Got it? If you said D, $37.46, you are correct. You've cracked the case. Next one. A pair of jeans, $58, is 35% off. What are you paying? Is it A, B, C, or D? And the answer is A, $37.70. You are on a roll. All right, final challenge. This one's a little tricky. We're flipping it around. A DVD was $34.95. It's on sale for $9.95. What's the percent you saved? A, B, C, or D? This one takes a little more thought. Did you get it? The answer is B, 71.5%. Wow, you've officially earned your Deal Detective badge.
You know, there's this quote that says, use your intelligence guided by experience. And that is literally what we just did. You took numbers, which can feel kind of meaningless, and you turned them into real-world, practical, money-saving knowledge.
So here's the bottom line. You just took what feels like a boring math problem and you turned it into an actual superpower. For real. You can now walk into any store, see any sales sign, and know exactly what you're getting. No more guessing. Which brings me to my last question for you. Now that you're officially a deal detective, armed with these new skills, what's the first awesome thing you're going to save up for?